Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. On the right side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a study table with chair and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. If you go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, and also we have water closet and the shower area arrangement. You can see here the ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.